message and your activity coverage.
I see some suspicious activity.
We best be done. But right now, I know how to do Excel. I want to do it. I want to do it. You want to do the easy one? No, I know how to do. I know how to do that one. What's wrong with this school? There ain't no internet.
I got one thing from Royal Palm High School. Yeah, how long will it be before you get to your laptop? Are you loading? Repeat that, please. How long is it going to be before you get to your laptop?
Yeah, I saw this.
The laptop for the day or the laptop? Yeah, that's what they're for. So when you're done with your high school, I'm going to cover your Jaeger. Going to Berlin, you cover Road 76. So you cover Jaeger, 30. Central to 59, Mr. Gary Greenwood.
What the hell? That guy just got out of
Tesla, some random Tesla. Of course.
Central 59. Yeah, 59. Hey, do me a favor. When you're done with your Jaeger, you go back and pick up code 81 for me, sir.
This ain't no good.
My Jaeger, the last stuff for you. Okay, yeah. Jaeger is a size 10.
You know what I see?
Central to 33, Mr. Iron. Carlos.
It hurts after a while.
83, Tradland. Yeah, that's what they're for. That's 64 trade wind. 530.
You know, it was so windy.
Sorry, you. You said 44 inches high.
Oh my god.
And that's a rust bucket.
Mr. Gonzalez.
No, not tonight.
Central 007.
Not tonight.
Central to 111. CNNC.
You know, I thought that.
Right here.
Probably is.
It's gonna rain.
I mean, it did
It
sprinkle.
was raining and this nigga told us to continue running.
What? No.
I want to kill him. Did he offer me $1 billion of full coaches? Oh, got my
too late.
Personal, financial, business. But I think I'm gonna have fun in this class. Just this class. This class is fun.
Plus it's smelling nice and clean.
Look at that. Oh hell no.
Thomas bus, they're very uncomfortable seats.
Oh,
Whoa, Bob, it's going to rain like a mother.
here comes the rain.
Are you filming everything? Wow.
Why, yes. I just caught a driver cutting you off.
I know.
Some random Nissan Versa.
Central to 81, Mr. Medallion.
What in the world is walking with socks on?
81.
Eh?
Looking for a wreck.
Yeah, 81. When you finish with your high school, please proceed to Bear Lake to pick up code for 76 for me, please.
I know they're trying to be cool, but sit your ass down.
Second, second.
Call him
Oh
out.
my God.
And I'm covering activity. Which one do you want? No, thank you.
Mercedes. Whatever that is. What is that? Mercedes?
Eh.
No, I can. Thank you. Central to Charlie 2, Mr. Natasha. Miss Natasha.
No, thank you, sir. I don't want it today.
You don't want it today?
Central to 110, Miss Renita John. Johnson.
Oh wow, that bus is like right there.
Too yellow.
Oh, it is a beauty. Took his ass the other day. He fell asleep. Took his ass.
Uh-oh.
Got my stop sign.
95 to the Adventure.
And that guy's still walking. Oh. He walking like
Yeah, go ahead, Brutus.
10 miles away.
Mr. Adventure, we have code 40 for Hills High School, 6 o'clock. We got code 95, LC Swing, 515.
That's too late.
We have code High School, 6 o'clock. We got 108 Lake Worth Middle, 530. We got 64 Great Wind, 530. We have 66 Okie Healy, 530. We have 82 Okie Healy Middle, 530. Well, no, not tonight, brother. Thank you, not tonight.
No, not tonight. No.
Finally, someone followed suit.
Central to 23, Mr. Warren. Straight to good.
No, not tonight.
23, we have 440, Boys Hills High School 6. We got 95 LC Swing, 515. We have Stone Coast 6. We have Liquid Middle, 530. We got Great Wind, 530. We have Okie Healy Middle, 530. And we have another Okie Healy Middle, 530. Which one do you want? So no, thank you. I already have the double back up to Social House. Central to 92, Mr. Sergio. Right.
Not tonight.
Not tonight.
It sucks when you work late because you have to wake up early in the morning.
Oh man.
Oh, no, hell no. Not tonight.
Central to 81, Mr. Medales. Medales. Medales, I have Stone Coast High School 6 o'clock. I got 95 LC Green 515. I have Liquid Middle 530. I got Great Wind 530. And I have 2 OCD Middle 530. Which one do you want? So that can do it tonight. Not tonight, thank you.
Damn. Lazy. Save your breath, man.
Central to 114, Mr. Malcolm.
Oh, shit.
Central to 114.
Not tonight. Let's go. Let's go.
Central to 74, Mr. Larry Williams.
Let's go. Ah, you bitch. Always get the red on.
Central.
Get the helmet. Right here, right?
Yeah.
Central to 100.
Somebody stopped on the brakes over here. Oh man, see the tire marks?
Yeah. That's too much.
That's from a truck.
Oh my god.
That's very easy to do with the truck and trailer.
Central to
Their brakes are
47,
so
Mr.
powerful,
Pedro.
man.
Oh,
Next thing you know, you're like smoking the tire.
with no exhaust brake.
Central to 47.
Are we posing? Are we posing? Are we taking videos and posing?
Yeah. Is that not allowed? I don't get it.
Oh, you crazy zombie. Thank God he had a voice like mine.
Oh. Oh wow. Student stop. Well, we're at the student stop.
Good night.
Because yes.
Not today, Mr. British. Thank you.
I miss the snow a little bit.
No.
You know?
I don't want snow.
103
But
between
I'm
ladies.
up north, so it looks pretty when it snows.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Yeah, knee brace. Oh, busted. I'm all busted.
Oh, here comes the clear.
Busted from work.
Busted.
Busted.
Oh,
I'm all busted from work. Hard work.
dang.
Careful.
Can't pull. Can't pull.
Okay. Natural night.
Sorry, gentlemen, we're going to put it back to activity for
What was that?
Central to 61,
What was
Mr.
that?
Warning.
What was that?
I don't know, man. Crap.
Oh,
Not tonight.
Central to 61, Mr. Warning Bourgeois.
Not tonight.
Central to 44, Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, after rain activity, which one do you want?
Not tonight.
Santos, could you send me the information, details about the route.
Yeah, that's the same for sir. You got one from 65.
So don't forget the route details. Thank you.
Thank you to 76, Mr. Delgado.
So is that right?
76, Mr. Delgado.
Yes, please.
Yeah, give me the ETA to Elvis and military.
Around 4:25. I'm still dropping off.
Drop them, please. What a way to deal.
Yeah, 76. How many stops that you have to go? How many more stops that you have to go?
Oh, not tonight. Vámonos.
Really garbage can.
Right, Pepper.
Signal driver, stand by for your activity coverage. I'll be back in 1 minute.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Yeah, that car went through there.
No, they have a house.
They have a house. You're right. I don't have a house.
Dang. At least you don't have a house on that street. I guess.
I am starving.
Didn't you not eat?
That was like, no.
Thank you to 42, Miss Yvette.
Had me a Burger King,
This sheet, go ahead.
croissant.
Song.
What do you have to me?
Yeah, Miss Belenka, I have 66 Okie Middle, 530. I have 1 week Bigworth Middle, 530. And I have 95 at 25 begin.
This is not planning to fix this street over here.
Huh?
This street is so fucked up.
I know, right?
Not
I
tonight.
don't know.
Yeah, that's an example.
He needs to replace these roads. The city.
They don't care about the inner cities.
Dang.
Central to 68 is Balen Regan.
Not tonight. The cold one. Now they got a phone made out of titanium. Right after this.
Toronto Central.
Good evening.
Green Central, go ahead.
Oh, look at the Audi, man. Should I?
No, not now.
It's a V8.
V12 or something? I don't know.
V10.
Oh, it's a V8.
I know one of them is like a V10. 10 cylinder. Still a Corvette will whip that ass.
Oh,
The new one.
High school or your high school.
what?
Give me time when you might be
That's
finished
great.
with at your laptop.
Laptop? Who asked for a laptop?
3:55, somewhere around there, between 3:50 and 4.
No.
Windy.
Yes, sir. When you're done with your laptop, please proceed to Elmas
And you know what?
and
The
military
seat
trail.
from the other bus is
That is
so
the way.
uncomfortable. It
Uh,
really is.
but
I'm gonna close that door right on that guy's porch. Really?
Really? I saw that. I saw that.
Man.
Please wait for me.
Of course, it's got to be a Porsche.
Yeah, you think be on with the world, you know?
Oh wow.
People have no respect for the school bus.
That's a crazy world we live in.
No respect.
We're not even working. It's not even back here.
Some drivers go like they're never gonna stop, you know, like they see the stop sign and they keep going.
I don't know why. But it's not even allowed? Oh.
See? That's why the car is all banged up.
Because
The way he gets out on the driver like that without looking.
no.
Thank you.
That's so ridiculous. It's all about that.
road closed.
The roads are so bad over there.
They thought it was our bus. They thought it was their siblings' bus.
The best drivers are aware that they must beware. The best drivers are aware
I'm
they
sorry.
must beware. So aware and beware, that's why the emphasize word. So best driver must be aware.
Beware of
I don't know
what?
why the door's mad at me. Alright.
Here comes the turn. Here comes the devil turn.
Scuffing the tires.
Which is a
Best
bad thing.
drivers, they must be aware that
These tires are so thick, man. Like that thick.
Oh,
Sidewall.
sandwich.
It's gotta be thick, man.
The best drivers know they must be cautious.
so the thing is the best drivers are aware. They must beware. Thank you, it's clear. I wish you all a nice evening and I see you tomorrow.
My favorite holidays.
Congratulations, you got it.
My favorite holidays coming up.
Which is Thanksgiving. Let's go.
I eat like a maniac.
And then Black
They
Friday.
have the uniform and
Oh
the
yeah, that's good.
That's good too. Cyber Monday. Very good.
Shoot 'em up. Funny stuff.
you can't make this up.
Good night. Can't wait for the country. You know the way I work.
Here it
I'll
comes.
get a ticket.
And it's not gonna end well.
Don't say that.
Why?
It'll be positive.
Oh, dang.
It feels like a soup day, you know? Soup.
Oh.
So good.
7757. 28, 73, 77, 51. That's the wrong number, it doesn't work. Check the number.
Who's been calling me right now?
273,
Uh-oh.
Scammer call?
17,
Scammer?
51.
Oh.
Saying,
Uh-oh.
get out of my house.
Dang.
Get out of my house, pack your shit, and get out of my house.
Dang.
Like, well, I got no right to know, though.
Oh, man.
But when you
This
go
number doesn't work, sir. You mean 28, 73, 17, 51?
Oh, come on. Really? Good thing this is in 4K. Cause I got the plate.
Oh, excuse me. It's an older lady.
Good morning, sir. That was the wrong number. You have to double check the number first. The number you give me didn't work. Check the number correctly.
I have that student right my boss. I don't see him. He's already on the bus. I asked him for the ID number. That's why he gave me. So I'm gonna talk to him. If he don't have good ID number, I think he can write.
Yeah, make sure he gives you the correct ID number so I can pull his phone.
What tree? There's a bunch of trees. Which one? In that big tree? Uh-oh. No.
Central 76, it's Del Carlos.
I know, right?
Unbelievable.
Shocker.
I think I'm cold.
Yeah, we should turn it off.
Alright. Woo! That was good.
My hands. Hey, cold. Yes. What was that?
I don't know. Good night.
Oh no! Publix!
1041.
I hate going through the parking lot.
Oh man.
You got to slow down.
Yeah, the ID number is 2827 775157.
Ow!
That's the complete no ID number if you give me.
Good evening.
Again, 2827 7757.
No. Twenty-eight, 73, 77, 51, 57.
That place looks very fancy. Starling?
Yeah, that's one of the reasons for your bus, right? His bus stop is Northfield Highway and Fordham Drive. Northfield Highway and Fordham Drive.
Here comes the parking
That's
lot.
my name. You're just looking to left. You can write.
Why I can't pull in there and then go
That's a
around?
big deal.
What try and see tomorrow?
I don't know. Rocking crab. Can you take a picture of that for me?
Yeah.
Rocking crab. Village. Oh, Village Commons.
Yeah.
Village Commons.
Yeah. Village Commons. God, my hands are freezing.
Really?
Yeah.
I have 9
That girl looks like my sister.
and 28 together, mother. So they're computer. Alright?
You done a good job this morning, sir. We appreciate your help.
Oh,
Thank you.
what's going on over there?
We don't know.
Oh, it's a lot. Is it gonna go to the moon?
No.
It's made of titanium for.
Oh man. I don't really think so because the iPhone 15 came up with serious flaws. As in the back glass breaking so easily to the change of color in the titanium. And yeah, there's, I don't know, it might be more issues.
What? Is that car doing there? Right? Do you want to play it off? Watch this. I think it's too cold for the trucks today.
The bus? Or the wind? Oh, it's the wind. The wind too cold for the bus. For the wind too cold for the
When
ducks.
the ducks they fly up north or south?
They go south.
They go south.
Yeah.
Where south?
We're in the southern states.
Are they going? Do they go to South America then?
They go to any warm place. But I highly guarantee South America is still be able to fly. They'll be able to fly.
Real south, right?
Yes. Southern.
I think Argentina is like the coldest and the windiest place ever.
Oh. How? Argentina?
Argentina, yeah, because it's like the south, like next to the
To the Antarctica?
Antarctica, yeah.
Oh,
Cold as fool.
dang. Girls here.
It's another world. Los Andes Mountains. Oh shit! Out of nowhere.
Oh,